Hi class, welcome to Library Instruction Module 1. I'm Dr. Doucette Rand, and I'm one of the instructional librarians here at the Marks Library. In this tutorial, you're going to learn some specific skills. So you'll learn how to access the Marks Library's resources. We subscribe to thousands of resources, and so being able to create a good search strategy is key to saving you time and effort when you're looking for papers and content to support your research. You'll learn how to pull keywords from a well-written topic sentence, and for each keyword, you're going to identify synonyms and related terms. Those are going to be used to create a search string. You'll combine those search terms and use limiters to refine your search strategy. And finally, you'll learn how to refine the search results, the search strategy, to improve your search results. One tip from searching at home: if you're not on the campus, then you'll be prompted to log into the library's databases using your J number and your Jagmail password. So let's get started. The first thing we want to talk about is why don't you use the methods you use when you're searching Google when you're using the library's databases. So when you search Google, you can use whole phrases and natural language to find information. For instance, you could type into Google search box, "Why do sailors have beards?" And Google will easily return a list of results about the Navy, about fishermen cultures, and grooming habits. So Google supports this kind of natural language search method. That's what their search algorithm is designed to do. However, when you're searching the library's resources, the contents in the library's databases are cataloged and organized according to keywords and subject terms. So you need to find and identify good keywords and subject terms and synonyms that you can put into the search boxes. And in this way, you'll have better results when you do your searches. So prior to watching this tutorial, you should have watched a video on refining your topic sentence. And just to remind you what that video was about, the video showed you the elements of a good topic sentence. Good topics answer questions about the who, where, when, how, why of the subject. From the topic sentence, you should be able to isolate at least 3 key words. And from those key words, you're going to identify related search terms and synonyms. So on paper, you would list the 3 key words and next to them write out the synonyms and related terms. It's well worth doing this exercise on paper or pulling up a blank document in Microsoft Word and doing this exercise in practice. The real key that's going to save you time when you're searching is the use of Boolean connectors. So Boolean connectors are written in all capital letters, and they're placed between keywords, synonyms, and related terms. Each term serves a particular function. So on the slide, you can see that "and" combines terms to be searched. So if we put into the library's database Greyglers and mentoring, the library's search engine will return results that have Greyglers and mentoring in the title, in the abstract, or next to each other in a sentence in the contents of the paper. So that's a sort of relevancy ranking. The first results are going to be those that have both Greygling and mentoring in the title and perhaps in the abstract. The further apart those 2 terms are in any of the articles that are returned, the lower down on the result list those will be presented. Or can be used to broaden a search term. So perhaps you are not sure if you want to, or you would like to search for any articles that include either mutant or superhero. So maybe you're doing some comic book research. So if you put "or," then the results will include all of the articles that have mutant and superhero, mutant alone, or superhero alone. So you're maybe not sure what the research is, what kind of keywords are being used yet. So you're doing a preliminary search and you're just not sure. So you'll include both mutant and superhero. If you want to exclude terms, then you can use not. If you're doing some research on coffee drinkers but not tea drinkers, then you could simply use the Boolean search term not. Remember, Boolean search terms are written in all capital letters, and each of them serves a different search function. So in Module 2, we're going to put into practice all of these ideas that I've been talking about. I'll demonstrate refining a topic, identifying keywords and synonyms. And before going on to Module 2, go ahead and download the practice with your topic worksheet. And so you'll have that. You can pull it up on your computer or you can print it out, and then you can do some practice on writing your topic sentence down and then circling keywords and then listing synonyms and subject terms next to it. So we're going to go on to Module 2 and do some demonstration and practice. See you in Module 2.